Hello, this will be the lecture on MSO O, starting from inserting an Excel chart into a PowerPoint slide. Once you open up the PowerPoint slide, you're supposed to rename it as O-Sales and Projections. So let's do that. So we have renamed it. Okay. Then it says to move to slide 2, then click Insert on the chart icon. Insert chart icon. And then we want to pick the second row, the first one, the clustered cylinder, and say OK. This will happen. Now, if you're using Office 2013, it's quite a bit different, so I will go over that on a different video. But if you don't have a chance to watch that, pick another chart, because the clustered cylinder will not be available, and the Excel won't show up over here on the side, but will be right here, right on top of each other. Okay, now here it says to replace the data in the worksheet with the data in the following table. That's step 4. And information there is kind of hard to tell, so I am going to go ahead and put the information in. Okay, so where it says data in, the chart will change as you go on. Because let's say if this 52500 was still the 4.3 to begin with, would change as such. Now let's say if this number was what it used to be, that 4.3, as you can see, it's down here, but once you put in the correct information, it will look like it's supposed to do. And then we are done for this portion. So it's just to click a File tab in Excel, then click Exit, and then we are done. Now we'll go into the Word import. I am on page 344. So we're going to insert PowerPoint slides from a Word document. So the first step says to open the file. Okay, I'm on page 344. I am going to open Word. And then I am going to open the O2 file from your list. Okay, and once you're here, then we want to go into the View menu, then click on Outline, and this is how it's going to look. Okay, and at this time the book tells you to click Exit. Go to File and go Exit. So we're back here. Now at this time we're going to click on the second slide in the Slides tab, and go we're in the Home tab. Then we're going to click on the New Slide List. Don't go too fast here. Click on New Slide List. Then it wants you to click on Slides from Outline. That's down here. And then click on the O2 slide that we've been working on. Then say Insert. So now those 3 slides are based on the outline that you got the information from. Then click the Reset button in the Slides group. Add your name to the slide footer and save your changes, then close the presentation. So the slide footer will be insert, header, footer, click on footer. Okay, now we're going to insert screen captures into a Word document. I have opened up the PowerPoint O-3 and it looks like this. Now if you want to see what it looks like, it says for you to go to the slideshow from the beginning, and it kind of looks like this. Okay, now they want us to open up the Word document O4. Then we're going to save it as O shareholder letter.docx. So I am going to say File, Save As, and I am going to save it as shareholder letter.do. We don't need a docx. That's understood. Okay, so we're done with step 2. Now it says press Control Home to move to the top. Okay, we're at the top. Then press Enter to insert a new line. Then press the up arrow to move up a line. Then click on the center button in the paragraph group. On the center, right there. Then it says to click the Insert tab. Then click the Screenshot button in the Illustrations group. Screenshot, right there. Again. So I am going to go into Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping. Then I am going to cut out what I want here, so it would be like this. There it is right here. Now it tells us to go and change the height to 2. And that looks just about right. So now we are done with our letter. Okay, as we continue here, inserting text from a Word file in an open document, page 348, it says to scroll down if necessary and point at the blank line immediately following the strategic highlights. So I am down here. Then it says to click the Insert tab. Then select the 5 lines of click text from file, which is here is the insert object. Then click on create from file. I'm going to browse, and I am looking for O5. Then say Insert. I am going to click OK. Additional text, we click on the Insert tab. go into Object under the text menu, Text from File. We come here, click on number 5, click on Insert. Okay, now select the 5 lines. Go back to the Home tab. Click on the bullets list in the paragraph menu. And we want the hollow one. Hollow bullet style. Click on that. Then push Control N. And Control Enter. Then we save our changes to the document. We will keep this document open. Now we're going to link an Excel chart to a Word document. So we're going to start Excel. Then open 06. Looks like this. We're going to save it as the focus group, O focus group. Step 2 says to right-click a blank area of the taskbar, which is down here, and then click on Show Window Side by Side. It says now to click anywhere in the Excel program to switch to this window and select the range A1 through D6. A1 through D6. And then click the Copy button or Control C. Then switch to Word. And click the blank line at the top of page 2. Then click the paste list arrow in the clipboard group. And link and keep source formatting button. Link and keep source formatting. Switch to Excel. Press Escape. Then click the chart. Then click the Copy button or Control C. Switch to Word. Click the Maximize button. Press Enter twice. Click the paste. and we are looking for the destination theme link data button. Now we're going to save our changes. As it says on the top of 352, the beauty of working with linked files is the ability to update the source file and have every linked object updated automatically in its destination file. So we're going to start working on this. F9 is the key updates links. Okay, so I am going to right-click a blank area of the taskbar, then go side by side again. Then it says to switch to Excel. Edit the data and the focus group work would match what's in the following table. I'm going to be on hold for a second. Cell C5 will be 54 and D5 will be 50. As you can see, the chart changes as we change the other stuff. And now it says to maximize the Excel program window. Select the data in the workbook and click the fill color button list arrow. And then click dark blue text 2. Fourth column, second row. Now I'm going to switch to Word. Right-click the table. And it says compare screen to figure 016. Then update link. Switch to Excel. It says to save your changes. Then close the worksheet. I'm clicking the chart object, step 6. We'll go ahead and switch to Word. Control Home. Okay. All right, we are on page 354. We're going to start adding access fields into a Word document. Push Control Home. Then we're going to go to the blank line beneath the date. Then we're going to click on the Mailings tab, which is this. Start Mail Merge, Letters. Then we're going to select Recipients buttons. Use existing list. We're going to go to our location for all the information. click on the access file 07. We're going to open it. Then we're going to click on the edit reception list just in case you wanted to make some changes here. Then click OK. Then click the address block button. That's the standard address, the default one. We'll stay with that. We're going to say OK, and that shows up there. Now we're going to press enter twice. Then we're going to click the greeting line button. Then click OK in the insert greeting line dialog box. Then press enter, and we're going to compare it to the picture in 020. Looks about right. Now we're going to save our changes. And we'll continue with the mail merge since we came this far. Okay, so we're going to click the highlight mail merge fields button in the write and inserts group. Highlight mail merge fields. Then compare it to the figure on 021. Looks the same. Then click the highlight mail merge fields button in the write and inserts group one more time to turn off the highlighting. Then click on the preview results button. In the preview results group. So that's how it's going to look. Then it says click the next record button. So it shows the next one. Then click the finish and merge button. And compare your error. We do not have to send this to the printer, so we'll just cancel at this point. I'll leave the current setting at 1. Save your changes. And you are done.